savings. These are just power tools. These are all killer deals. So I ended up just filtering out just the power tools and the buy one get free and the buy more save more. The best deals for the power tools at the lowest Labor Day savings. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon, so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos. That's the way YouTube runs their platform, by subscribes and likes. So help at this channel by doing so. Okay, let's go ahead and get started. Guys, what happened here is this is a gift, free gift with purchase. So on this one's the older one, but still it's a DeWalt. It's still a 12-inch 15 amps dual bevel compound miter saw, and you are getting a free stand. Yes, guys, you guys heard it correctly. So $349. Free gift with purchase. You give yourself $149 free stand. So this is the time to buy. However, I wouldn't buy this. Personally, I wouldn't buy it because it's not a slider. I do prefer slider. And plus it's a 12-inch, so it's gonna be the bigger one. So I mean, if you're doing just flooring, you should be fine, because most of the flooring it's you know, it's not that wide, so you should be fine with that. This one is this one. Yeah, this one's the slider. Yeah, this one's definitely a slider. It is the 12-inch slider, and you are getting that free stand. I believe is the same stand. Let me just double check for you guys before I tell you. Yeah. So this one's, is this different? Why does it say 229? Yeah. So you are getting the free stand with this one. So definitely check it out, guys. That's a really good deal on that one. What's up with this computer? All right, so $4.99 on that one. All right, so this is when it becomes interesting. The buy more, save more. So on this one, you do get the buy more, save more. So if you guys want to get into flex, this is the time to do it, because you're gonna get these tools like super cheap, and you guys could thank me for that, because I mean, you're gonna get this for like all this kit for like really cheap. You go here, you get it like this. Watch. So on this one, I believe these are hackable. So these buy more, save more are hackable, and you are able to buy it and return the other tool. You know, obviously you're paying the price. The Lowe's is gonna be dividing the price. So in case you want to return one or the other, you can get the, you know, you're gonna get that money back, prorated money back. So this is $3.99. So you're gonna go buy more, save more. You're gonna select the item you want to add. Let's say you want to add another battery. Yeah, and then you can see more. There's a lot more in there. I believe there's even the new power stack batteries in there. So let's say you want this angle grinder, right? So you choose this angle grinder, and you do have to get it close to the $500 limits. So just keep that in mind. Whenever you're planning on putting two of these together, you're gonna want to get it to that $500 limit, so you can get that full $150 off on the tools. All right, so you add to the cart, and then you're gonna see that discount. All right, so on this one, where's my discount? It's not gonna give me the other one. Alright, so I'm going to add it to the cart. Alright, so it's $5.98. I did go over $98. But this is just an example. Alright, so they're going to give you this one. See, they're going to give you this angle grinder for $149 with the battery, charger, and a bag. That's a really good deal, guys. You guys tell me about this. This is a really good deal. This one's a pretty good, solid deal on this one. But what was the price of this one? $3.99. Yeah, this one was $3.99. It went down to $2.98. So you're getting a drill driver, impact driver, a reciprocating saw, a flashlight. So you're getting all that in two batteries, two 2.5 amp hour batteries for $2.98. I would, you know, this is a really good deal, because this saw, this thing's a beast. All right, I'm getting out of hand here. I'm getting out of the where I should be, but I just want to show you guys really quick, you know, what kind of pricing you guys could get with that deal. All right, so let's go down here. All right, so same thing with this one, guys. $269. You guys are gonna get this cheaper. Let's just check real quick what gift you're gonna get on this one for free. Oh yeah, but this one you can't hack it. Unfortunately, with this one you cannot hack it, guys, because it's just a buy one get one free. Or let me know that in the comment section if you guys hack this. I believe you can't hack it, guys. So you can only hack the buy more save more. So on this one you're gonna have to be stuck with the battery. You have two batteries, so might as well just have two batteries with that one. Same thing with this one. You're gonna be able to hack this. Get yourself some nice discount on that. 649. You're getting a lot of tools if guys. Same thing with the Bosch. The Bosch has the buy more save more. Um, Let me just see what you guys could get for free on this one, or what is this? A free gift or buy more save more? Looks like a free gift. So on this one you're gonna get that free gift. Remember, guys, these are not hackable. But why? Why did it say buy more save more and this website's all over the place? It says buy more save more. View price and cart. Well, maybe we're onto something here. Hold on. Let me add this. Let me see what the price is after we add everything to the cart. No, it's not doing it. So yes, guys, so it's doing it because it's giving you the $99 tool, obviously a circular saw, and then you're gonna get this battery and this charger for free basically. So they're reducing the price to $99 already, plus they're giving you that tool for free. I mean the battery and charger. So it's basically like a $99 kit, circular saw kit. Basically that's what it comes down to. This one, same thing, I believe. Let me just double check for you guys. Oh, this one, yeah. See, this one you're gonna have to get it to that I believe $150. Let me just double check. Yeah, this one's gonna be $450. So you guys could save that $150 off. So you guys gonna have to mix and match and play with it until you get to that 450. Get that maximum discount. So if you want to get into this line, this is the time to do it. And you guys are able to hack that one because it's a buy more save more. This one is a buy more save more too, I believe. They do have that buy more save more. Yep, they do have save up to $150, and you do have to buy $400. So this is even better, guys, because this is only $400, and you're already gonna get almost 50% off of it, because $400 is $200. So you're gonna get around what 40% off, 45% off. It's crazy, and you can get the top tier tools, not just these. By the way, come on. Sorry guys, it's taking me forever. All right, same thing with the reciprocating saw here. The combo here, same thing. The buy more save more. We already went over that. The circular saw, this is the top tier, top of the line Cobalt XTRs. The black ones are top of the line, so you guys can do the same thing if you already own these batteries. Same thing with this one. This one's the mid tier, or not the mid tier, the like a starter kit, lower tier. All right, Craftsman, huh? So Craftsman is doing the same thing, and they're not advertising it at the stores, I guess. So this is $149. All right. So on Craftsman, you have to spend $300, and you're gonna get $100 back, or save $100. So guys, make sure you guys mix and match. Like I said, you guys can hack this. I want to get this angle grinder. I'll have to do that later. But you guys can hack this. They got some awesome tools. That's an impact wrench. They got all kinds of tools on that one. Oh, did it just take me all the way to the top? Sorry. All right. So circular saw, you could do that with the circular saw. You could do this with the brushless cordless drill, the XTR. It's $169. That's a really good deal on that one. All right, you can do this with the circular saw. It's a 4-2 combo kit. Guys, this is is this the rear handle? Yes, guys. This is the stacked lithium-ion rear handle. This is the brand new circular saw with the brand new batteries. You guys could already hack this with the buy more, save more. That's a really good deal. I'm just going to go over some real quick and we're just going to call it today. You guys could go over and look at it yourself. Same thing, you know, top tier, or this is mid tier, I believe. Mid tier here for $99. You guys get variable speed brushless hammer drill. No, I haven't seen this hammer drill anywhere. Is this the new one? It says next gen hammer drill driver design engineer optional connectivity kickback control precision clutch. I believe this is the newer one. I don't recognize this handle. I don't know. Let me know down in the comment section if you guys have this, or you know, you guys know what's up with that one. Looks new to me. I'm gonna end it up right here, guys. This video is already too long. I'll leave you guys the link down below in the description section of this this video. Don't forget to help this channel by subscribing, hitting the like, hitting the bell icon so we can buy more tools like this, make more to review videos, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.